I got a girl crush. Hate to admit it, but I got a heart rush. It's slowing down. I got it real bad. Want everything she has. That smile and that midnight laugh. She's giving you now. I wanna taste her lips, yeah, 'cause they taste like you. I wanna drown myself in a bottle of her perfume. I want her long blonde hair, I want her magic touch, yeah, 'cause maybe then you'd want me just as much. I got a girl crush. I got a girl crush. I don't get no sleep. I don't get no peace thinking about her under your bed sheets. The way that she's whispering, the way that she's pulling you in. Lord knows I've tried. I can't get her off my mind. I wanna taste her lips, yeah, 'cause they taste like you. I wanna drown myself in a bottle of her perfume. I want her long blonde hair, I want her magic touch, yeah, 'cause maybe then you want me just as much. I got a girl crush. I got a girl crush. Hate to admit it, but I got a heart rush. It ain't slowing down.
Let's learn Girl Crush. It's choreographed by Alison Johnstone and Rachael McEnaney. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, high intermediate, rolling 8 with a restart on wall 3 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts and include both endings that are listed on the step sheet. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts using both endings, and then we'll talk about where that restart happens, and then we're going to go around to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Girl Crush. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to step forward with our left and sweep our right from back to front. Step forward with your right, sweep your left from back to front. Step forward with your left, sweep your right from back to front. Rock forward with your right foot, recover onto your left, and make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to step forward with your left, and on the ball of your left foot, we're going to make a 3/4 turn over our right shoulder as we hitch our right knee up. You're going to finish that 3/4 turn as you step your right foot to the right side. You'll be facing 3 o'clock. We're going to sway our whole body to the right and then sway our entire body to the left. We're now going to cross our right over our left. We're going to make a 1/4 turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left, and a 1/4 turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on that right foot, you're stepping and sweeping. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a Section 2. We're going to make an eighth of a turn over our right shoulder as we rock our left foot into the 10-30 diagonal. Recover back onto your right, and you're going to step back with your left and rock your right foot back. As you rock back, you should open your shoulders slightly to the right to use this as momentum for our next part. We're going to recover onto our left foot, and we're now going to do a full turn remaining in the diagonal. We're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left and sweeping your right from back to front. We're now going to make an eighth of a turn over our left shoulder as we cross our right over our left to square ourselves up to 9 o'clock. You're going to step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, and sweep your left from front to back. We're now going to cross our left behind our right, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped our right foot to the side. You're facing 9 o'clock. We're making that eighth of a turn to rock into the 10-30 diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Right now your weight is on your right foot. You are facing 12 o'clock to start section 3. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, doing a pivot, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now at 6 o'clock. We're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left, a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot, and then do a small step forward with your left. You are now facing 6 o'clock again. We're going to do a right mambo step, rocking our right foot forward, recover back onto your left, step your right foot back. We're going to step back with our left and sweep our right from front to back. Step back with your right, sweep your left from front to back. And this sweep is going to go into a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the side and pointing your right toe to the right side. You're now facing 3 o'clock. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping down onto our right foot to face 6. And we're going to do a step half pivot, stepping forward with our left foot. You're going to make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're doing your step half. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and Weight is on your right foot. You're facing 12 for section 4. Section 4, we're going to do a weave. We're going to cross our left over our right, step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to cross our left over our right, and we're going to make a 3/8 hitch over our left shoulder. You're going to hitch your right knee up, turning over that left shoulder to face 7:30. So we're going from 12 o'clock to the left back diagonal. We're now going to step forward with our right foot, step forward to the left, remaining in the diagonal. We're going to rock forward onto our right foot and hitch your left knee up. We're going to step back with our left and make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. We're now going to make an 1/8 of a turn over our right shoulder as we rock forward with our left and hitch our right knee up, and then step back with your right. Now, this is where the ending can differ depending on if you like to add extra turns in or not. The non-turning option is you're going to make a 3/8 turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left to face 6 o'clock. And then you're going to do a small step forward with your right, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again with your step sweep. Now, the turning option, you would do that hitch back. We're going to make the 3/8 turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot. Now, you're going to do a half-half. So we're going to make that half turn over our left shoulder, quickly stepping back with our right foot, and then you're going to make another half turn over your left shoulder as you step forward with your left and sweep your right from back to front to start the dance all over again. So that count 1 will be the completion of your full turn. So let's try the non-turning option with counts and then the turning option with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with that weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 to start the dance all over again. Now let's try it with the turn. Like I said, whichever one you choose is up to you and what you like to do. They both are beautiful options, so whichever one you choose will look great when you dance it. Weight is on your right foot, you're doing that weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. When I do the steps, I'm going to do the non-turning option. When I do the counts, I will add in that turning option at the end, just so you can see how both differ and you can choose which one works best for you. Weight is on your right foot. We're starting with our step sweep. Step sweep, step sweep, step sweep. Rock, recover, half step, 3/4 hitch. Sway right, left, cross, quarter, quarter, eighth, rock, recover, back, back, rock, recover, half, half, sweep, square up to the sidewall, cross, side, behind, quarter, step, half, 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 step, mambo, back, back, sweep, quarter, point, quarter, step, half, cross, side, behind, side, 3/8 hitch, step, step, rock with a hitch, back, side, eighth, rock with a hitch, back, 3/8 step, ready to start the dance all over again. Now let's try it with counts. With the counts, I'll do that turn at the end. Weight is on your right foot, you're doing your sweeps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Ready to start all over again. So now let's talk about where that restart happens. The restart's going to happen on wall 3. That will be your 12 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance the 16 counts, which will put you back at 12 o'clock. So let's dance those 16 counts. Weights on your right foot. We're doing our step sweep, step sweep, step sweep, step sweep. Rock, recover, half step, 3/4 hitch, sway, sway, cross, quarter, quarter, eighth, rock, recover, back, back, rock, recover, half, half, sweep, cross, side, behind, quarter. Right now your weight's on your right foot and you're going to start the dance all over again with your step sweep, step sweep, step sweep. And that is the only restart in the whole dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. So we're going to dance through the restart and do the one that follows it. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. On the walls that I'm doing steps, I will do the non-turning option. And on the walls that I'm doing counts, we will do the turning option. Weight is on your right foot. We're starting with our step sweep, step sweep, step sweep, step sweep. Rock, recover, half step, 3/4 hitch, sway right, left, cross, quarter, quarter, eighth, rock, recover, back, back, rock, recover, half, half, sweep, cross, side, behind, quarter, step, half, 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 step, mambo, back, back, sweep, quarter, point, quarter, step, half, weave, cross, side, behind, side, cross, 3/8 hitch, step, step, rock with our hitch, back, side, eighth, rock with our hitch, back, 3/8 forward, step sweep, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, a 5, 6, a 7, 8 and a sweep, 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 rock, recover, half step, 3/4 hitch, sway, sway, cross, quarter, quarter, eighth, rock, recover, back, back, rock, recover, half, half, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, quarter. Now we're going to restart the dance. That was 16 counts. You're going to start with your step, sweep, 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 rock, recover, half step, 3/4 hitch, sway, sway, cross, quarter, quarter, eighth, rock, recover, back, back, rock, recover, half, half, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, quarter, step, half, 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 step, mambo, back, back, sweep, quarter, point, quarter, step, half, cross, side, behind, side, cross, 3/8 hitch, step, step, rock with a hitch, recover, back, side, rock with a hitch, back 3/8 forward, and then you would keep on dancing the dance all the way through. Like I said, that ending is really up to you. I like the turning option. I really feel like it fits the music, but if you or your class doesn't like to add in those extra turns, then feel free to just do that 3/8 turn to the back with your step forward. Now, I hope this helps you learn Girl Crush. It's one of my favorite dances. It was the first rolling 8 count that I had ever learned as a line dancer. So I hope it becomes a favorite like it is one of mine. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.